Ever struggled climbing into your RV on a rainy night? Slippery steps, wobbly ladders, and constant anxiety about safety. I used to avoid rooftop checks for fear of falling. Packing a shaky ladder ruined camping mornings more than once. Then, I found top-rated RV exterior ladders built for safety. Non-slip rungs, sturdy construction, and secure, easy-to-install mounting. Weather-resistant finishes and corrosion-proof materials for long-lasting use. Options from compact 2-step to 4-step heavy-duty stairs. I mounted the foldable 2-step in under 5 minutes. Rubber feet gripped gravel, no slipping on wet surfaces. The handrail gives confident support when climbing up. 4-step models handle gear and people with ease. Bolted heavy-duty frames stayed rock solid on rough campsites. Anti-slip abrasive treads and yellow visibility stripes prevent missteps. Portable aluminum ladders fold small, fit easily in compartments. Adjustable legs ensure level, stable steps on uneven ground. I climbed confidently to check solar panels and roof vents. No more wobble, no more awkward balancing with gear. Step rugs add traction and keep dirt out of RV. Durable powder-coated finishes resisted scratches and rain without problem. Assembly was bolt-together simple. The handrail snapped on easily. After a week, everything still felt sturdy and safe. If you love camping, these ladders upgrade safety and convenience. Choose compact foldables for storage, heavy-duty steps for frequent use. Look for non-slip treads, secure mounts, and weather resistance. Makes rooftop checks, awning access, and loading gear effortless. Your next trip deserves reliable steps you can trust. Ready to upgrade? Find the best RV ladders today. Tap the link below for top-rated models and deals. Travel safer, stress-free, and enjoy every outdoor moment.